got there, Fiona? You found the chocolate sandwich cookies that make a satisfying crinkly noise? Oh, they're gonna come out. Oh, Fiona. Look what you've done. Well, all those toys we spend money on, we just needed to get you a pack of cookies. You can get it. All right. Well, have a good time today.